Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Spring 2022 Fab Fit Fun box. I am partnering with Fab Fit Fun on this video. I do have a coupon code. AmandaBella will get you $10 off your first box, but all opinions are my own. I have never received a Fab Fit Fun box before. I have seen them everywhere. They are like the box of the housewives. They all get them every season. And I never paid much attention to the Fab Fit Fun craze. I knew about it, I understood what it was, but I never had my own membership. I never really took the time to see what was in one. So when I had the opportunity to receive one, I was like, yeah, let me check this out. This has been a long-standing phenomenon. I feel like it has withstood the test of time, and it is like the OG of subscription boxes. So my first one came in. It is this beautiful spring box, so colorful, so fab, and I wanted to unbox it with you today. If you're unfamiliar with Fab Fit Fun, it is a seasonal subscription box, but not just that. They have a ton of add-ons and flash sales. A lot of the products come from female-founded companies. If you really like something that you receive in your box, you can get a discounted rate on refills, and they support a ton of their favorite charities. So these seasonal boxes retail for $55, but if you are an annual member, I believe you pay $200 and you receive all four. So by selecting your seasonal box, you're able to customize some of the items inside, and then Fab Fit Fun surprises you with the rest. But when you're an annual member, you can customize the entire box. I was able to partially customize this box, and honestly, when I put it together, I forgot what I had picked, so I'm really excited to see what's inside. Ooh. Wow. Wow, there is a lot of stuff in here. A lot of good stuff. Okay, it's all coming back to me. These values retail up to $250, so there are full-size products in here. I see it. There's not just products, there's accessories. Oh my god, okay, we have to jump in. All right, first things first, we have some literature. So it looks like there is a Spring 2022 magazine. I'm actually really excited to read. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. There's a little promo code and then stickers. These are adorable. All right, on to the stuff, the good stuff. Okay. We have, I don't know if I'm going to say this right, gemelli hair claws. Your own reason to smile. Wow. So excited about these. I absolutely love claw clips, and I don't have any large ones like this. I feel like this claw style is coming back so hardcore. The 90s style hair. Oh gosh, before you know it, butterfly clips will be back. But I love the claws. I usually use like the really little tiny ones, but I'm excited to try a new style with the jumbos. I might have to give one to my mom. She's got way more hair than me. Ooh! Next up is the Nuco. It's a Topical C skincare booster powder. What is this? Potent powdered vitamin C is activated in the palm of your hand, helping to boost collagen production, reduce fine lines, and brighten skin. Ferulic acid aids absorption, while colloidal oatmeal and aloe vera help to soothe skin. 2 to 3 shakes of powder in your moisturizer or serum. Apply to clean, dry skin. Wow, what? I need this. I need this. I need this. I like really need this. My skin has been going through it lately. I was able to escape to Florida a couple weeks ago, which was really nice because, you know, a little vitamin D, a little sunshine really worked wonders for my skin. Like when I arrived, I was breaking out like crazy, and when I came home, I felt like a new woman. But as I've been home, I don't know if it's the weather or the water or my hormones or what, but especially around my mouth, I just continue to break out. I have so many dark spots. I have a little bit of melasma on my forehead. So I've been looking for a good vitamin C product to integrate into my routine. So I'm gonna try this ASAP. What's this? Spotlight Oral Care, created by dentists. Oh my gosh, I think I picked this. Okay, so these are teeth whitening strips. I'm using these like right after I finish filming this. My teeth need a little whitening. I actually put together like a turmeric coconut oil paste this past week because I'm like, I need to whiten these guys up. I think it may have actually worked, but I know these will work. So, okay, we have a ton of strips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think there's 15 strips. There's an upper and lower in each packet. Ooh, Dan's gonna steal these, I know it. And then there's a teeth whitening pen. Okay, I've never used one of these. And comforting gum oil. So after you use the whitening strips, apply a layer onto the gum above the teeth and leave on for 5 minutes. Interesting. I wonder what this does. Very cool. I'm so excited to use these. Okay, next. Oh, a Josie Maran whipped argan oil body butter. My mother-in-law loves Josie Maran. Like loves, loves, loves all of her products. And I think this is The whipped body butter she's always talking about. I'm really excited to try this. I don't think I've tried this before. I have used a few Josie Maran products in the past, but never this one in particular. Argan oil nourishes skin with essential nutrients. Shea butter, avocado oil, and white tea extract revitalize and restore. Its lightweight, velvety texture absorbs instantly. I love that. Give me like all the lightweight everything. Her products are pricey. I'm so curious how much this retails for. Privé, am I saying this right? Privé Revaux eyewear. What? I think these are sunglasses. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. Oh, I love these. I just bought a pair of sunglasses that look almost exactly like this, except they are like nude. But I was debating between that pair and a very similar black pair. I am so glad I didn't get the black pair because these are like 10 times cuter. Oh my god, these are so cool. Okay. Stop it. Stop it. These are adorable. Wait, I feel so fabulous in these sunglasses. I can't wait to wear them with like a cool outfit and not my like cheesy sweats. Okay, look, they have this like pretty gold detail around the top. Oh my god, they're so well made. This is legit! Are you kidding me? Sunglasses that actually look good on my face? I am so particular about sunglasses. I feel like it takes me forever to find a pair that looks good on my face. I think my nose is crooked, so anytime I put glasses on, they always like tilt to the side. But I've been told a few times, usually by eye doctors, that this cat eye shape best flatters my face shape. These are perfect. These are awesome. They're beautiful. Dang, Fab Fit Fun. This is Fab Fit and Fun. I think this is the last item. It is a Lazy Susan. Can I tell you how long we've wanted to get a Lazy Susan? Now this looks kind of small. It might not be for the dinner table, but oh my gosh. Wait, I love this. No, this is so cute. I can put this in my spice cabinet. I could put this on my vanity, like put products on this. I mean, we could put it on our kitchen table and just put like salt and pepper and some of our seasonings on. Oh my god, this is adorable. Wait, I love this so much. This box is so freaking cool. Wait, there's like a little bit of everything. There's like health, beauty, home, fashion. Wait, this is really sick. I feel like there was some serious value in this. I want to go like add everything up because I'm so curious. Holy cow. Like I'm actually kind of shocked. What a great box. Wow. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I do have a coupon code for you. You can take $10 off your first box by using code AmandaBella. Whether you grab a seasonal box or you sign up for an annual subscription, it's really a pretty good bang for your buck. If you like to get fun stuff in the mail, if you enjoy trying new products, this is a really cool way to do it. And what I like about Fab Fit Fun that I haven't really noticed in some of the other subscription boxes, they really do touch on all of the different interests and elements of our lives. So like I mentioned, this is like, you know, a home decor. Oh my god, I'm gonna put this, I think this might go on our coffee table. This might be our new like remote holder. Wait, I'm so excited. I'm very excited about this. Between this and the sunglasses and that vitamin C powder. Wait, and the teeth whitening because I really wanted that too. And I've heard great things about the body butter. I don't know. I love it all. The clips, I love it all. This was so great. Awesome, awesome value. For $55, like honestly, I feel like this you could probably buy for $55 like Bed Bath & Beyond or something. Like 2 of these products maybe would equate to that amount. So I definitely do see the value in this box. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. This was a really fun unboxing. So again, if you want to grab a box for yourself, take advantage of my coupon code. If you want to order one for someone else, this would make an awesome, awesome gift. And again, you can kind of customize it so that you can ensure that you're getting some products that you really do want to try. So it's not completely blind every month. I really do like that. But the element of surprise is cool too, because they definitely know what they're doing when they curate these seasonal boxes. Wow, so cool. I feel like, I don't know, I want to go out so I can wear my sunglasses. Thank you so much to Fab Fit Fun for sending me this box. It was a very positive first experience. I'm not even joking. If you guys like these kind of unboxing videos, give this video a thumbs up to let me know. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. And leave me a comment below letting me know if you've ever gotten a Fab Fit Fun box before, what like your favorite product you ever got out of one was, like that you continue to use to this day. And if you've never tried it before, if you might be interested in giving it a shot. That's it for today though. Thanks again for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye!